ArtiFlex Manufacturing isn't just a name, it's a story of craftsmanship and adaptability. A fully integrated Tier 1 automotive supplier, ArtiFlex delivers design, tooling, prototyping, automation, and production solutions that support some of the industry's biggest names. With multiple facilities, high-capacity press lines, and a start-to-finish approach to manufacturing, ArtiFlex stands at the forefront of innovation. At the heart of ArtiFlex's production are its Macrodyne hydraulic presses, the driving force behind its day-to-day output.
So Macrodyne presses are the backbone of our forming abilities here, as there are lead presses. We have 4 Macrodyne lead presses on 4 of our lines here in Worcester. They allow us to run variable types of material as well as different OE specific parts, so we can control our form better.
In a Tier 1 environment, reliability defines competitiveness. For ArtiFlex, uptime means confidence, and confidence means delivering on every commitment.
Macrodyne presses support our ability to deliver our customers by providing reliable uptime. We produce close to 2.5 million stampings per year, and through those presses is the reliability to deliver to our customers on time.
Reliability doesn't just show up in production numbers. It's proven on the shop floor every day.
I feel Macrodyne presses are better than any other machine that we have, and we have more hits on them than any other press. So I believe they're above all the other machines we have.
And for those who maintain these machines, the durability stands out.
I would recommend Macrodyne presses because they are very reliable. They, like I said, they take a beating and just keep on ticking. And
for ArtiFlex, partnership is about collaboration and understanding, a relationship built on teamwork, not transactions.
The service and the teamwork that we've created, I guess, seeking to understand, not just saying, hey, you've got a problem, it's your issue. It's really trying to understand what they can do specifically for us as a customer and as a partner, and then helping us move forward. So that's critical to us. We don't just want a supplier, we want a partner.
Macrodyne doesn't build catalog parts. We build custom design solutions for nearly every industry. It could be anything from a standalone press to a lights-out facility. Macrodyne designs and builds exactly what the customer needs and delivers exactly when the customer needs it.
As manufacturing evolves at light speed, ArtiFlex continues to invest in the future, where automation, robotics, and lights-out production define what's next.
It's all automation, right? It's all becoming, the next 5 years are going to be just, it's going to be a light speed, a light change in how we see things, whether it's everything robotic, everything lights out, humanoids being introduced. Having reliable presses and being able to bring automation into them is what we look for, and that's going to be the standard. So
that partnership and that trust will carry ArtiFlex into the next generation of manufacturing.
It's, for us, again, being a stamping Tier 1 automotive company, it's very critical to have trust and a partnership with Macrodyne, and we look forward to growing that partnership as we move forward into the next generation of what manufacturing becomes.